Did you know that a staggering 76% of young adults lack basic financial literacy? It is a shocking revelation indeed, showing that a large portion of our future leaders are navigating their financial journey without a compass. Clearly, there's a financial knowledge gap that needs to be filled. Young adulthood is fraught with financial challenges. It's a time when many of us first start to grapple with the realities of money management, and it's not always a smooth ride. First up, we have student loan debt. For many, this is the first major financial responsibility they face. Yet, the enormity of this debt can be overwhelming, making it difficult to see beyond the immediate payments and consider long-term financial planning. Next, there's the lack of saving habits. When you're young, it's easy to prioritize present experiences over future security. However, without a consistent saving habit, we're left vulnerable to unexpected expenses and miss out on building a safety net. And let's not forget about overspending. It's all too easy to fall into the trap of living beyond our means, especially in a society that values material possessions and instant gratification. These challenges can snowball, severely impacting our long-term financial health. These challenges are daunting, but not insurmountable. So what's the secret sauce to financial success? Let's hear it from the millionaires themselves. First things first, budgeting. It's not about how much money you make, but how much you keep. Millionaires are known for their disciplined approach to managing their money. They prioritize saving and investing over impulsive spending. Next up is investing. Millionaires understand the power of investing and the magic of compound interest. It's about making your money work for you, even when you're sleeping. They know that starting early can make a huge difference in long-term wealth accumulation. Finally, diversify your income. Don't rely solely on your day job. Millionaires often have multiple income streams, be it through real estate, stocks, or side businesses. This not only provides financial security but also opens up more opportunities for wealth creation. These tips are not just about making money but also about securing your financial future. But there's one piece of advice that can truly change your financial future. Now buckle up, because we're about to unveil the real game changer: the power of compound interest and smart investment strategies. Let's start with compound interest. This is the process where the interest you earn from your savings or investments is added back, which then itself earns interest. It's what Albert Einstein referred to as the eighth wonder of the world. Those who understand it earn it. Those who don't, pay it. Now, onto smart investment strategies. Ever heard of don't put all your eggs in one basket? Well, it's sage advice. Diversification, or spreading your investments across different types of assets, can help you balance risk and reward. It's about not betting everything on one card but playing a hand that's more likely to win in the long run. Remember, the earlier you start, the better. So, start today. It's never too early or too late to make smart financial decisions. To recap, financial literacy is crucial, and overcoming common financial challenges is possible with the right strategies. Remember to start early, budget wisely, invest smartly, and always seek ways to increase your income. You have the power to change your financial future. Want to be in the know about all things finance? Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button for more millionaire-approved financial advice. Let's get a conversation going. Share your thoughts or personal finance tips in the comments. Remember, your wealth is in your hands.